Imagine waking up one morning to breaking news. A pharmaceutical company has announced a revolutionary new biological discovery. Governments are excited. Investors celebrate. Scientists praise the breakthrough. The company promises a future without disease. A future where medicine can repair the human body. A future where death itself may one day be defeated. But hidden behind the laboratory doors lies another reality. Secret experiments, unethical research, biological weapons, human testing, and a virus capable of changing civilization forever. This is not the story of a real company. At least, not yet. This is the story of Umbrella Corporation, the fictional organization that became one of the most feared corporations in entertainment history. Created within the world of Resident Evil, Umbrella appeared to be a pharmaceutical giant dedicated to improving human health. Its laboratories developed advanced medicines. Its researchers worked on groundbreaking biotechnology. Its public image was clean, professional, trustworthy, but beneath that image existed something much darker. Secret underground facilities, illegal experiments, and biological agents capable of transforming living creatures into nightmares. The most infamous creation was known as the T-virus, a pathogen designed through genetic manipulation. In the fictional universe, the virus could dramatically alter biological functions. Animals became aggressive, mutations emerged, and infected populations eventually collapsed into chaos. The concept captured public imagination because it touched upon a very real fear. What if advanced science fell into the wrong hands? Throughout history, humanity has achieved extraordinary scientific breakthroughs. Vaccines saved millions of lives. Antibiotics transformed medicine. Genetic engineering opened doors once thought impossible. But every major technological advancement carries risk. The same knowledge used to cure disease can potentially be misused. That fear sits at the heart of the Umbrella story. The company represents a nightmare scenario. A world where profit becomes more important than ethics, where scientific curiosity ignores human consequences, and where powerful organizations operate beyond public accountability. Could something like Umbrella exist in reality? The answer is complicated. No real company is secretly creating zombies. No evidence suggests hidden laboratories are producing monsters beneath cities. However, biological research is very real. Around the world, scientists study dangerous pathogens every day. Research facilities examine viruses, bacteria, and emerging diseases. Their goal is protection, prevention, understanding. But history shows that biological research can also create controversy. During the 20th century, several governments conducted unethical human experiments. Some projects remained hidden for years before becoming public knowledge. These events damaged trust and demonstrated the importance of transparency. Umbrella Corporation takes those fears and pushes them to their extreme conclusion. The result is a fictional warning, not about zombies, but about power. Because the true horror of Umbrella is not the virus, it is the corporation itself. A system willing to sacrifice individuals for larger goals. The zombies merely represent the consequences. What about a real zombie virus? Could science create one? Most experts believe the answer is no, at least not in the way movies portray. Human biology is extraordinarily complex. A virus capable of creating aggressive, undead-like creatures would face enormous scientific obstacles. However, some real diseases demonstrate characteristics that inspire zombie fiction. Rabies can alter behavior. Certain parasites influence animal actions. Neurological diseases can affect personality and cognition. These examples remind us that biology can produce frightening effects without creating actual zombies. Yet none of them resemble the unstoppable horde seen in fiction. Popularity of Umbrella reveals something important about human psychology. People fear invisible threats. They fear powerful institutions. They fear losing control. And they fear scientific discoveries they do not fully understand. Resident Evil combined all those fears into a single symbol. a corporation with unlimited resources, unlimited ambition, and no moral limits. The result became one of the most recognizable villains in entertainment history. But perhaps the most disturbing question remains. If a real umbrella corporation existed, would we recognize it before it was too late? History suggests that dangerous systems rarely appear evil at first. They often begin with promises: progress, innovation, art, security, convenience. Only later do people realize the cost. That lesson extends far beyond fiction. The story of Umbrella is ultimately a cautionary tale, not about monsters, not about zombies, but about responsibility. Because science itself is neither good nor evil. It is a tool, and the future depends on who controls it. As technology advances, humanity will continue facing ethical decisions, once confined to science fiction. Genetic engineering, artificial intelligence, synthetic biology. Each breakthrough offers tremendous benefits. Each also carries potential risks. The challenge is ensuring that innovation remains guided by ethics rather than ambition alone. Umbrella Corporation may not exist. The T-virus may not exist. The zombie apocalypse may remain fiction. But the questions raised by the story are real. How much power should corporations possess? How much oversight should scientific research receive? And what happens when human ambition exceeds human wisdom? Those questions remain relevant today, because while zombies belong to fiction, the consequences of irresponsible power do not. And sometimes the most frightening monsters are not created in laboratories. Sometimes they are created by choices, made by ordinary people who believe they are doing the right thing, until the world changes forever. The end.